No one wants to see their elderly parents or grandparents go into assisted living or a nursing home. But what do you do when your home has stairs that the older generation can't climb to reach the bedrooms, or when grandma and grandpa simply refuse to give up the independence of living on their own? Wouldn't it be great if they could safely maintain their independence and yet be near their adult kids without exhausting their savings on the high cost of assisted living? As our elderly family members age, we often worry about their comfort and safety. This is where an ADU, or accessory dwelling unit, comes in. An ADU is a separate, smaller home on the same property as a single-family home, and it can be a great option for those who want to live close to their loved ones while still maintaining independence. An ADU may be attached to or completely separate from the main house, and there may or may not be a connecting door between the two homes. Some people call them mother-in-law houses or granny cottages. I'm Laura Triratnobus with John L. Scott Real Estate in Boise, Idaho, and I'm a big proponent of ADUs. We need more of them. One of the main benefits of ADUs is that they provide a sense of privacy and independence for both the elderly family member and the main homeowner. With an ADU, Grandma and Grandpa can have their own living space, including a kitchen, bathroom, and bedroom. This can be especially helpful for those who require daily assistance, as it allows for a caregiver to stay nearby and yet still allows older family members to maintain a level of independence. Another benefit of ADUs is that they may increase the value of your home. As the elderly population continues to grow, the demand for homes with ADUs increases as well. This means that homeowners may see an increase in their property value, making it a smart financial decision. Many cities, including here in Boise, are revamping city code to make it easier to add an ADU to your property. In addition, building an ADU can also be a great investment for those who want to supplement their income. ADUs can be rented out as a source of extra income, providing a way for homeowners to offset their mortgage and other payments. Whether you choose to rent to long-term tenants or to use your ADU as a short-term rental, you'll be making additional income without even leaving home. Overall, an ADU is a great solution to consider when it comes to caring for our elderly family members. With added privacy, independence, and financial benefits, an ADU may be just what your loved one needs to thrive. Need help finding the perfect property for you and your family in Idaho? Want to be connected with builders who can add an ADU to their home plans or to an existing home? As a new construction specialist and Idaho Realtor, I'm happy to help with your Idaho housing needs. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.